Hello everybody! Matthias here, bringing you something fresh out of our development oven. We noticed that having the ability to sign a task is not enough, so we've added something you might appreciate. I'm happy to introduce you to signature requests, a new feature for our premium users. With it, you will be able to request signatures from your project members and notify them when they're taking too long to sign that task that has been stuck in the review stage for ages. Let's take a look at how it's done. By default, one signature is always requested. Most likely it will have your name on it. This is a group signature for all the members of the project. Now, imagine that you're working on a task and you're satisfied with what you've done. You moved it to the in review state and you're ready to sign. You can do that by simply clicking on the sign button here. But let's skip that for now and focus on what this video is really about: signature requests. To request a signature, you simply click on the aptly named Request Signature button. This will take you to a list of all team members that are eligible to sign the task you are currently working on. This is not only a list of people, but also a list of roles that are available on any given project. For example, you can request a signature from the project owners group. This comes in handy when you need a signature from one of them and it doesn't really matter which one. You can even check who's a member of a group by clicking on the info icon next to it. And if you have too many project members, it's easy to find the right person by using the built-in search above. When you want a signature from a specific person, simply select whoever you need to sign your task and click on the blue Request Signature button. The requests are now sent, and at this point you can either delete them or notify the person again. In case you need two signatures from a specific group, simply repeat the request signature process and request a signature from that group one more time. Your colleagues will be notified on the SciNote dashboard, where we added a simple signature request widget. Here you will be able to see all the signature requests sent to you directly or sent to a group you are a part of. We strive to make SciNote better, and all feedback is immensely appreciated, so don't hesitate to send it our way. Until next time, goodbye.